Porsche. There is no substitute.
The automotive industry is witnessing a rapid shift towards electric mobility, with manufacturers striving to create cutting-edge electric vehicles that combine power, performance, and sustainability. Porsche, known for its legacy of high-performance sports cars, is stepping up to the challenge with its innovative concept, the Porsche Mission X. This video delves into the exciting world of the Porsche Mission X, exploring its freshest information and impact it might have on the future of electric vehicles. The Porsche Mission X sets a new standard in hypercar design, combining exceptional performance with a refined and sophisticated aesthetic. Its sculpted form and muscular lines prove that aggressive styling is not the only path to achieve striking visual appeal. The Mission X's low-slung body, standing at under 47.2 inches in height, exudes a sense of sleekness and agility. It is adorned with the exclusive rocket metallic paint color, specially crafted for this concept study. The use of carbon fiber elements below the beltline adds a touch of sportiness, featuring a satin finish that subtly reveals the material's distinctive structure. Drawing inspiration from turbine design, the concept study's rear axle is fitted with almost transparent aero blades, providing both an aesthetically pleasing appearance and improved brake cooling. This intricate detail showcases Porsche's commitment to performance and functional design. A highlight of the Mission X is its lightweight glass dome, supported by an exoskeleton crafted from carbon fiber reinforced plastic. This elegant structure extends over both occupants, creating a sense of openness and connecting them with the surrounding environment. The Le Mans-style doors, attached to the A-pillar and roof, open forwards and upwards, reminiscent of the legendary Porsche 917 racing car. This iconic door configuration adds a touch of exclusivity and pays homage to Porsche's rich motorsport heritage. The Mission X's light signature is a true standout feature. The designers have reimagined the iconic Porsche 4-point graphic, giving it a vertical base form inspired by historic racing cars like the Porsche 906 and 908. The LED light modules are framed by a high-tech support structure, accentuating the narrow elements of the daytime running lights and indicators. When activated, the lights come to life, opening up like an eye blinking open, showcasing the Mission X's confident and captivating presence. The centerpiece of the Mission X's interior is the yoke controller, a racing-inspired steering wheel that resembles a Nintendo controller. This unconventional design not only adds a touch of modernity, but also reflects Porsche's dedication to pushing boundaries. While the specifics of the steering system weren't disclosed, the interior designer hinted at functionalities similar to steer-by-wire, complemented by additional safety measures. This combination ensures a precise and thrilling driving experience. Continuing the motorsports theme, the open-top steering wheel incorporates mode switches and shift paddles, suggesting the presence of regenerative brake control. This feature allows drivers to optimize the vehicle's performance and energy recuperation, further enhancing the Mission X's dynamic capabilities. For those seeking the thrill of the racetrack, lap recorders and a stopwatch module are seamlessly integrated into the cabin, enabling drivers to capture and challenge their own Nürburgring lap times. It's important to note that Porsche emphasizes the Mission X as a design study. However, history has shown us that concepts like the Mission E have successfully transitioned into production models, as exemplified by the revolutionary Taycan. With this in mind, there is a glimmer of hope that the captivating features and innovative design elements showcased in the Mission X will eventually make their way to Porsche dealerships. Porsche has long been synonymous with performance, pushing the limits of what is possible on the racetrack and the open road. With the Mission X concept, Porsche not only continues to exemplify e-performance, but also takes a pioneering approach to sustainable mobility. If the Mission X goes into series production, Porsche has set some ambitious performance targets. One of its objectives is to make it the fastest road-legal vehicle around the iconic Nürburgring Nordschleife. Porsche's relentless pursuit of speed and precision ensures that the Mission X will be capable of setting new benchmarks in terms of lap times and overall performance. A key measure of a vehicle's performance is its power-to-weight ratio. Porsche aims to achieve a remarkable ratio of roughly 1 horsepower per 2.2 pounds with the Mission X. This lightweight design philosophy ensures that the vehicle delivers exhilarating acceleration and agility, enhancing the driving experience to new heights. The Mission X aims to achieve downforce values that surpass even the current 911 GT3 RS. By optimizing its aerodynamics, the Mission X will generate significant downforce, enhancing stability and grip at high speeds. This will result in exceptional handling and cornering capabilities, allowing drivers to push the limits with confidence. As part of Porsche's commitment to electric mobility, the Mission X will feature a 900-volt system architecture that will allow it to charge at twice the speed of the Taycan Turbo S, which Porsche says can go from 5 to 80% in just over 20 minutes, significantly improving charging performance. It is expected to charge roughly twice as quickly as the current Porsche frontrunner, the Taycan Turbo S. This means less time spent waiting for the battery to recharge, allowing for more time on the road and minimizing range anxiety. To optimize the vehicle's balance and agility, the Mission X adopts an innovative E-Core layout, where the battery is centrally installed behind the seats. This configuration centers the mass of the car, providing the basis for excellent agility and precise handling. It ensures that the Mission X inherits the nimble characteristics of a conventionally powered mid-engine car, further enhancing its performance credentials. So the Mission X's technical vision represents Porsche's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance while embracing sustainable mobility. From record-breaking lap times to an exceptional power-to-weight ratio, the Mission X aims to redefine what is possible in the realm of electric performance. With enhanced aerodynamics and rapid charging capabilities, it combines exhilarating driving dynamics with the practicality and convenience of electric mobility. As Porsche continues to innovate and pioneer in the electric vehicle space, the Mission X stands as a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments about this concept. Will Porsche take the direction of electric vehicles to a new level? Or is it nothing more than ordinary for you? Comment down below and let's now emphasize everything that I mentioned earlier about this concept. The Porsche Mission X is an electrifying concept that promises to redefine electric performance. The Mission X is set to make waves in the world of electric vehicles. As I eagerly anticipate the Mission X's arrival, one thing is certain. It is poised to elevate the world of electric performance to new heights, captivating enthusiasts, and inspiring a new era of sustainable driving. I hope this video were useful to you, and if so, don't forget to like this video and check out the videos on the screens to be aware of everything new in the world of cars.